The flash. I like this weird, calm, open the body. Yeah, it's good for the flashes in your head. MSK started off as opponents for years. We're the same exact guys from They Know How one go. Emotions go, boys. You're just in history. And to be here and establish ourselves as people just so happy. So the reason why I got into wrestling as freshman in high school passed away. Even more, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna be a sportsman. I'm gonna be a WWE. Ash Carter has a tattoo for his dad. It says anyone will really understand what it means to be. The road America because I really finished. Whatever. We've been here for so long. We just wanted some best tag team in NXT. That's MSK. From MSK, next!
Just saw your journey to NXT, and next week you challenge for the NXT Tag Team.
Sure, MSK is in jeopardy after that. Okay. The company. When the title wrestles Alpha Legend at his side, a waste for NXT. Clear. Thank you. Former NXT North American champion, I would assume that you let the Swerve beat you up too badly last week. Perfect. Thanks, Leon. Success! The key to success is taking advantage of someone doing that. You think about Leon Ruff on it. And Leon, because of that, you hold a very lifetime. You will go one-on-one with Tyler Rust in the Rust. I mean, also setting a camp outside the trainer's room. Leon Ruff! 100%. Leon Ruff taking the challenge. That's mine. Where'd it come from? Once again, come on. Multiple opportunities. And this handles this guy. On social media, man, it's time in the spotlight. Tyler Rust. Well, I mean, for Alpha Legends, he might have taken. We just been presenting an opportunity. For NXT Women's Champion, Rhea Ripley. After all the incredible debut last week, there's nobody on it. Of course. Congratulations. Thank you so much.
And Trey, how are you feeling?
I have so... Talk obviously ready for her opportunity tonight. Some technical difficulties here inside the one with the very best we have to offer. The following contest is scheduled for one fall. And this is a hell of an opportunity for Joe Stark. What announcement who's making it out there is the opportunity that awaits. And you tell with Zoe Stark, this women's showdown takes place. Give a couple of basketball, okay? Virgil, give him the basketball. I've seen enough. Time is money. Boy. And I got a whole lot of money. You up for a challenge? Great. Take this basketball. All right. You think you can do it, Ginger? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This ain't over yet. This ain't over. Adam Cole is vocal on social media. Adam Cole has a lot of explosive matches to take over. Yes. Kyle O'Reilly is somebody I care. What happened to Kyle O'Reilly? My heart goes out to you. What do you really think about heinous attack on this Kyle O'Reilly in last week's main event? How it is not medically clear to compete. We're hoping of it 4 to 6 weeks. For Kyle O'Reilly. Competition against Toni Storm tonight after that ambush from Toni Storm last week in Championship presented by Burger King. $1 no one. Wait, what do you think about Io Shirai? She's never afraid of competition. She's women's wrestling. She's taken on all comers during this impressive reign of hers. She's amazing as champion, and that's really a playoff legend.
There is no denying that on any level, but I mean, let's look at who's making the most of this opportunity.
No, that, part because you listen to a true start, but that isn't too much too soon for Stark.
To get my first face-off against the women's champion. I can't imagine her
That does say a lot about Zoe Stark's second match here on NXT. She's going jaw-dropping performance, in fact, but this, to me, is not a great fight. Could really send her in a downward spiral. That's another way to look at it. Stark looking for the submission, and back. Take a look at the point of the elbow.
changing the levers there.
Yeah, Shirai taking Stark down there for Zoe Stark. And look at Shirai kind of rushing off it.
Shirai can get nasty.
Wait for it. Take a look at Io Shirai's big knee. Take over in your house. Here in NXT, it's called the Storm with a pump kick. Drops the oh my God, Shirai. Well, Scotty to get back. Yeah.
But we know that she's the most dangerous when that type of
Fly. And Stark all the way. And with knock Io. Two, NXT Women's Champion Io Shirai. And Shirai then started her
big moments come. She's making the most of it.
Stark to cut Stark center of the ring. Stark able to roll over Shirai holding on to the wrist.
Awareness there by Stark.
Ooh! Little explosive. Well, you might not like the opportunity, but you gotta remember this is huge. First Io Shirai now getting the best of it is incredible. Stark, total athleticism, double high crossbody, both women same thought.
She is completely stuck.
And they're really gonna get a sense of like Zoe.
And she's stirring, struggling to get to her knees to her feet. Oh, the champion able to cover her.
And the cover! And Stark into the cover! Took right Io Shirai! And Shirai kicked out at top.
Io Shirai.
And Stark right back on top of Io Shirai.
No room to breathe. Continues to stay on her.
Come on, uppercut. Stark rocking this moment. Shirai charging in by Stark here tonight.
You can feel the pace quicken.
Io Shirai. The genius of the sky. Back to Io Shirai. And missile drop kick. Shirai. What a match for both these women.
In disbelief.
Shirai now. Looking for maybe a suplex. Stark able. This golden ticket to face the champion in her second ever match.
And that's exactly what Zoe Stark is doing here tonight.
Shirai over. Right back in. Goes Shirai. Moving in pain. Shirai able to cover. Stark in disbelief. Yeah, I'm in disbelief too after this beautiful. Zoe Stark away. Incredible stuff. Zoe Stark off the German suplex. Able to cover again. Goes Stark and again.
Her arsenal of offensive moves that have Zoe Stark still on her feet.
The champion again. Looking for another German suplex. Counter.
Knows exactly what that means.
And Io Shirai. Shirai lands it. Able to cover.
The NXT Women's Champion, Io Shirai.
She was in there with Zoe Stark. Maybe not even.
But Io Shirai sure knows that she'll be one to watch.
Look at you. Willing to defend Zoe Stark or whatever. I kicked your head off and you didn't do a damn thing. The reason why you pinned Mercedes at TakeOver and not me. And it's because... Anyway! Surely by now you would have gone to Mr. Regal and you would have... I know it, but please, please prove me wrong. Make the match happen. Shirai didn't win anyway. Shirai accepts.
Trying to get your birds on her, just let me.
Mackenzie, we're trying to leave before that psycho comes with the chair. Why was that so hard?
And honestly, you didn't deserve that. He's just a misunderstood guy.
But you're the white man, and guess what? You're not the first person he's done this to. He's I'm taking crazy pills here. Candace, back me up.
You should be in jail. You really...
What the? What the hell? No, I'm not going to weird. What?
Okay, we're gonna fix this. You're going to therapy.
To therapy. I want to hear another word. It's happening. I've watched the whole video. They ain't taking my money. Sam, what's your number for my mommy? You know, I was actually here because I got a little bit of a chat with a lady. I'm here just to talk to you. Cameron, $1,000 of his own money. What you think about that? It's just 10 dribbles, okay? You just got about inches. You have about 3 extra myself. You know, it really doesn't matter the fact that you're pretty tall. I don't think she's gonna be out of there. Let's see what you got, honey. Hey? Cameron. Take it easy. This ain't over. This is my basketball tricks against the former WNBA
Concerning moment to say the least that mark on the hand against
saw a deep breath from Cat Zero.
of course, acting quickly on
Want their friend back. They just want their friend back. Riley doesn't seem interested.
She's looked like in the past few weeks since hooking up with Tian Show. I dropped the Deadwood movie.
Are you kidding me, friends? I mean, because they were like a unit together, struggling.
Dying and powering a core.
Well, either way, right now, it's a bad quarter. Throw it over into the cover. But Cat Zero away. Just able to check out the new.
And Casey, seeing Riley go through this transformation, they should literally beaten out of her.
Alright, I talk about that power focus like we've never seen before. And right now can be focused on planning. And right back up and a kick right to the stomach. That's part of that
I mean, Cat Zero doing her best to withstand how you see Mei Ying, the ominous shoe of Riley.
Mei Ying, but also Boa. But then Cat Zero can't caught her. They're just trying to do the right thing.
We caught her, and then that's how this movie sort of that's what unleashed the dragon inside.
A conversation we had between her and Zion. We can't tell her relationship back in his area.
These two women throwing everything that she's got left in her.
Cat Zero now, back kick out. By Zion and the new Kate Carr on the outside. Sharon Ashe respected so much she loved as a sister. And Zion Raymond pass first. Cat Zero into that middle.
She's defenseless. This is too far.
They're taking it, screaming on the outside. Referee is no longer complete. Therefore,